Parametric differentiation. What is parametric? So previous problem we are you are getting y is equal to something, then you have to find out dy by dx. But here it is not like that. X and y are some functions of x and y are some functions, some functions of other variable, other variable. For example, x is equal to cos theta, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Actually, this is the parametric form of x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, circle equation. Similarly, y squared is equal to 4x. It is a parabola. Its parametric form is x is equal to at squared, y is equal to 2at. Similarly, for the ellipse, x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared is equal to 1. Then here its parametric form is x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. These are the parametric forms. So here in the question they are giving x in terms of theta or t and y in terms of theta or t. You have to find out dy by dx. So we will start with one example. So x is equal to 280 squared, y is equal to 280. So what you have to do means this x is a variable in terms of t. So you have to find out dx by dt. What is dx by dt? A into t square derivative is 2t. And what is dy by dt? 2a, it is a constant. T derivative is 1. So what is answer? 2a. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt is 2a, dx by dt is 2at. So what is answer? 1 by t. So this is the way we have to find out the derivative of parametric function. Next step. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. What is dx by d theta? A cos theta derivative is a into cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. Dy by d theta is b into sin theta derivative is what? Cos theta. Now dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So b cos theta by minus a sin theta. What is answer? Minus b by a cos theta. Now another question. X is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, y is equal to b into theta minus sin theta. Now here what is dx by d theta? A into 1 derivative is 0 minus cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. Minus cos theta minus plus sin theta. So this is what? A sin theta. But you know sin 2 theta is what? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So this sin theta we can write it as what? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now what is dy by d theta? B into theta derivative is 1. Sin theta derivative is cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is what? 2 sin squared theta by 2. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So 2b sin squared theta by 2 by 2a sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So answer is what? 2 with b by a tan theta by 2. X is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta, y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. So how to do? Dx by d theta is clear. Cos theta derivative a into minus sin theta plus theta into sin theta derivative is cos theta plus sin theta into theta derivative is 1. So a into minus sin theta plus theta cos theta plus sin theta. So what is answer? A theta cos theta. Now dy by d theta is equal to a into sin theta derivative is cos theta minus theta derivative is 1 into cos theta plus theta into cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. So a into cos theta minus cos theta plus theta sin theta. So what is it? A theta sin theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So a theta sin theta by a theta cos theta. So what is answer? Tan theta. Next question. X is equal to a into cos t plus log tan t by 2, y is equal to a sin t. Now dx by dt is equal to a into cos t derivative is minus sin t, log tan t by 2 derivative is 1 by tan t by 2, tan t by 2 derivative is c squared t by 2, t by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. So a into minus sin t, 1 by tan t by 2 you can write it as cos t by 2 by sin t by 2 into c squared t by 2 you can write it as 1 by cos squared t by 2 into 1 by 2. So a into minus sin t plus 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. So a into minus sin t plus 1 by sin t. So it is a into 1 minus sin squared t by sin t. So a into 1 minus sin squared t is what? Cos squared t by sin t. So this is our dx by dt. What is dy by dt? A into sin t derivative is what? Cos t. You have to find out dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. So a cos t by a cos squared t by sin t. Find out the answer. So answer will be a will cancel. So answer is tan t is equal to tan t. It's another type of question. X is equal to root of a raised to sin inverse t. Y is equal to root of a raised to cos inverse t. Show that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. So this actually you can write dx by dt and dy by dt, but instead of that we can write another way. Xy product you find out. Root of a raised to sin inverse t into root of a raised to cos inverse t. So root of a raised to sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. So what is it? Root of a raised to pi by 2. Now xy is equal to root of a raised to pi by 2. You differentiate x into dy by dx plus y into 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x dy by dx is equal to minus y dy by dx is equal to minus y by x.